This 2012 Ford Mustang Coupe is located in Apopka, Florida and has 3 miles on it. This coupe has a beautiful Kona blue metallic exterior paint color which is complemented by other interior color. This vehicle features air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, and many other features. For more information on this great coupe, please click the link below.